low-carb, gut-friendly, kidney-supportive, and liver-loving dish. Tired of the same old dinner routine? Let's add some exotic flair with a dish that's as healthy as it is delicious. This tandoori salmon with coconut curry cauliflower rice is a flavor explosion you won't want to miss. The salmon gets a vibrant makeover with a tandoori marinade, packed with spices like turmeric, which fights inflammation, and yogurt, a friend to your gut. We pair it with low-carb cauliflower rice, giving you that satisfying texture without the extra carbs. And the creamy coconut curry adds a touch of sweetness and healthy fats, great for your liver. No more stressing over hours in the kitchen. Just throw it all together, bake, and voila! You've got a nutrient powerhouse that's ready in under 30 minutes. So, take a break from the ordinary and embark on a culinary adventure with your family tonight. Enjoy this tandoori salmon with coconut curry cauliflower rice, a delicious and nutritious dish that's perfect for busy moms who want to keep their families. Who can eat this? Those with gut health concerns. The yogurt in the marinade and the fiber from the cauliflower rice can promote gut health. Individuals seeking kidney support. Curry powder often contains ingredients like cumin and coriander, which may offer some kidney-supporting benefits. People who want to improve liver health. Coconut milk provides healthy fats, which can benefit the liver. Tandoori salmon with coconut curry cauliflower rice. 450 to 500 calories per serving. Ingredients. For the tandoori salmon: 2 salmon fillets, skin on, if desired. 1 tablespoon plain yogurt. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 1 teaspoon tandoori masala spice blend. 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. 1/4 teaspoon ginger powder. Salt to taste. For the coconut curry cauliflower rice: 1 head of cauliflower, riced, using a food processor or grater. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1/2 onion, diced. 1 clove garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon curry powder. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. 13.5 ounces, can coconut milk. 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro. Salt and black pepper, to taste. Instructions. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly grease a baking sheet. In a bowl, combine yogurt, lemon juice, tandoori masala, garlic powder, ginger powder, and salt. Coat the salmon fillets with the marinade, making sure to cover both sides. Heat olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the onions and cook until softened about 5 minutes. Add garlic and cook for an additional minute. Stir in curry powder and turmeric powder, and cook for 30 seconds to release the flavors. Add riced cauliflower and coconut milk. Bring to a simmer and cook for 5 to 7 minutes, or until the cauliflower is tender crisp. Season with salt and pepper. Spread the cauliflower rice mixture on the prepared baking sheet. Place the marinated salmon fillets on top. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked through and flaky with a fork. Garnish with chopped cilantro before serving. Benefits breakdown. Salmon, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, promoting brain health, heart health, and reduced inflammation. Tandoori spices. Turmeric boasts anti-inflammatory properties, while yogurt bolsters gut health. Cauliflower rice, low-carb alternative to regular rice, providing fiber for gut health. Coconut milk adds healthy fats and a touch of sweetness, benefiting the liver. Curry powder, spice blend with ingredients like cumin and coriander, known to support kidney function. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more super health tips.